My name is Eric Roper. I'm a mission manager with Orbital ATK. I'm a mission manager on the NASA Sounding Rocket Operations contract. We launch many different types of rockets, anything from a single stage rocket to a 4-stage rocket. And we do all of this to launch telescopes, ion gauges, different types of experiments. Fifth grade is working on forces of motion or properties of motion. And that's all of Newton's laws, which with these rockets, that's exactly what they are. They're Newton's laws is what drives these rockets to fly. And so I gave a presentation on how these rockets are flying and what makes them fly. And then we got together in the cafeteria and we built our own sets of rockets. And then we came out here this morning and were able to actually launch them. So the kids got to see a cradle to grave building and launching of rockets to hopefully give them an exciting outlook on the math behind the actual events that are happening, so that they can actually understand that, okay, what I am learning in school is actually used for something. One of the biggest proponents of NASA's mantra is outreach. They really want to educate everyone. That's all they do, is to try and push the boundaries of science and technology, and the best place to start is to teach the younger generations what we already know so that they can build off of that.